Hey Nate, here's your box. These are the weatherproof connectors that are coming out the bottom of the box. That is the bottom. You can have number 6 connector and number 5 connector. The numbers are on the back side there. That one goes to the longer cable, which will go across the roadway. We put the connector ends on there. What you're going to do is wrap this in plastic and use electrical tape. Slide the wiring loom through your piping and then through the pole and out the center. You're going to do the same on your other wiring loom. This one is for the shorter loom. By the box you got it mounted. These are your connectors. Once you get this through the pole and out the center of the pole, number 1 on all the wiring is black wire and light gray. Those are the grounds. These are the connectors. The black's showing, that's the hole you're going to put the black wire in, and that's the grounds. So once you get through the pole and all that, hook up the wires on both sides, put the connectors in, and then hook it up. Then you're going to run your wire to the bell. You can use butt connectors on that. Got a long enough wire, maybe too long, but see if you need to do it. And then basically reprogram all your other remotes to this one. You don't have to touch the other bell. So what you're going to do, see right now, this remote is hooked up. So when you use the other remotes, you're going to push this button once, light goes off, and then just hit the A button. Once the A button goes on, that remote is done. And then you have to do that to all the remotes you're using. Just push that button once and on all the remotes, and you'll be good to go. Send a video and pictures after you get it hooked up. See how you did. If you have any questions, call me. I'll get this out to you today. Thanks.